Spencer Kobren's The Bald Truth.
You know, Doc, you are really one of the few guys, like I'm talking about, there's a handful in the entire world who really understands and really does it right. You really care about the patient. The reason you're a part of the IAHRS is because you believe in our philosophy.
Absolutely.
It's not just the fact that, you have a tremendous amount of time on tissue and you produce great results. It's more than that. You have to believe in the philosophy that surgery is the last resort.
Sure.
This is really all about the patient. You are affecting every aspect of the patient's lives, whether
Absolutely.
it's their interpersonal lives, their professional lives, and that's something a lot of doctors don't fully understand.
Right. Yeah, I mean, like I've always said, I really enjoy being a part of IAHRS. You guys are really educating the consumer. You guys are helping, patient advocacy, saving patients from, being botched, having a bad outcome. And it's just a great organization. And, I commend you for doing that and kind of standing up to the field and saying, look, wait, patients are getting harmed. Doctors are supposed to be helping patients, not harming them. And, at the end of the day, IAHRS is trying to make a change for that. And, there's good doctors that are part of it. And I think it's pretty highly, regulated in terms of, who's a member and who's not. And, I for myself take it very seriously. And I enjoy being a part of an organization like this. And I think it's great what you guys are doing.